You already know that many animals are pretty intelligent, but sometimes they're so clever that it's frightening. Today we'll prove that animals are more capable than you think. This eagle is trained to neutralize drones that people fly illegally in restricted places. Macaw parrot knows how to crack open the coconut and get a fresh drink. This duo knows how to shock the viewers with their awesome hoverboard skills. Dog shows off his exceptional and flawless surfing skills. Even an elephant is intelligent enough to understand not to litter and put things back where they belong. This little dog is a pro at controlling balls. This clever crow knows how to use props to get things done. These elephants know how to survive an attack along with protecting their little ones. This seal is amazing at this game and knows he has to win every time to get the reward. Dog gets his ball out of the pool without getting wet by using a floating board. The little one shows off his skills, and we think he deserves an Oscar. These deers are so confident in their placement that they don't even bother the hyenas trying to attack them. Owner used a clever way to give his dog his medicine. But there was someone more clever. Intelligent Crow is no doubt the champion of the bucket sort game. Intelligent Dolphin uses water to get the ball back. Imagine being scammed by a dog. This one must be the Ponzi of the dog world. This dog knows he needs to clean his paws before entering the home. Cute orangutan opening the juice box and drinking it with a straw is a treat for the eyes. They were just driving to the beach, and then this cow gave them directions.
Buenas tardes, perdona, para Bolonia?
And the Best Baseball Player of the Year award goes to this dog. This elephant knows which vehicle is supposed to stop and why. The guy will never be short of food. Gone are the times when rats were naive. Now they know all the tricks to save themselves from rat traps. Dog knows where to find hot and fresh food.
Hey!
This pug knows handshakes are only meant for those who are going to chip in $1.
Kayla, you gotta give him $1!
The dog gives an outstanding performance, not just playing the piano, but also singing. Elephant returns the toy to this kid that accidentally fell into its space. This dog is so intelligent and knows exactly how to open the lock. This genius dog knows how to carry 4 tire tubes at a time. This little thief is a fan of Doritos. The bird not only steals the pack of chips, but enjoys eating it right then and there. Genius little cat knows how to put water in the glass and when to stop. Dog is making way for the water on the farm to make it reach the horse. The polar bear knows where to walk and where to crawl to avoid falling in the frozen water. This dog loves playing volleyball with his partner and is so attentive to the game. Chimp is getting prepped to show his amazing spin. If it wasn't for surveillance cameras, no one would believe how these dogs wiped the cute crime scene queen. This genius fish seems to be a soccer fan. Obedient dog knows how to serve his human and clean up the mess too. The cute pig has reinvented hula hooping and is very good at it. This parrot is a fan of YouTube and knows how to play his favorite videos. This dog knows how to get rid of the dog chain, and it's so cute. Dog single-handedly is handling this flock of sheep amazingly. Mama cat fixing the mess made by her kitten. This tortoise has an amazing talent to play tic-tac-toe perfectly. The cat is a champion in the bucketball game. This genius elephant knows how to take a shower.
Oh my God!
The dolphin traded the lost phone for a lot of cuddles. Dog figured out how to play with a ball when he's alone. Parrot knows how to play dead and has some fine acting skills. Bro just did his chores and then locked himself in the room. Cat just made her life easier by using technology.
Oh my God.
Pigeon knows where to take shelter in this heavy hailstorm. This bear will make your day with his perfectly synced kung fu tricks. The crab intelligently hid and protected its home. This chimp kept pointing toward her bag over and over, and when she took out a drink, he guided her to the hole so he could have his share. This dog is doing apparently quite difficult labor work in seconds. Cat knows how to quench her thirst. This genius cat has amazing observation skills and manages to find her ball no matter how much she's tricked by moving the cups. The small parrot is so clever in differentiating the colors and putting them in the matching bucket. Cute dog knows how to prep for a nap and is not compromising on his comfort. Little boy dropped his bottle near the orangutans at the zoo. The orangutan showed his amazing problem-solving skills and managed to get a hold of the bottle for him. This macaw parrot knows how to beat the hot weather by taking tap showers. This dog is the master of skateboarding and shows off his talent on the streets. This elephant loves to draw, and his brushstrokes are no less than an artist's. The crow intelligently figures out how to get food from the hanging jar. Naughty Crow is messing with the fish. Rabbit is making way for his best friend so they can sneak out together.
Help, please.
What's this made of? Yes, made of metal. Good bird.
This parrot is a science lover and knows all about materials.
Glass. Yes, made of glass.
The kind bear knows the right place for this orange cone and doesn't want anybody to get hurt. This dog is the leader of this flock of sheep and knows all the tricks to lead them. Orangutan is a pro golfer. Seal is helping the cleaning lady by picking up cones from the pool for her. These Labradors know how to get what they want, even if it seems impossible. Sharp Squirrel dodged the cat, and the cat is so confused about what's happening. This good dog helps his owner with the gardening and makes her work easier.
Yo, I, Lucy, eat, and eat. Úgy, köszönöm, elég.
Thanks for watching! Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. We will see you in the next one.